Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers. We are a distressed home buyer in Lavaca here in San Antonio, Texas. We've been operating in San Antonio since 2012, and during that time we've bought well over 100 projects. And what we do is we come in and we buy them cash and we close quick, and we are the end buyer. So that's three things to kind of keep in mind if you're looking for a distressed home buyer in Lavaca. Are you dealing with an actual end buyer, somebody that's going to come in and close on that house? And the way that you know to look for that is, does the contract say and or assigns? And if it does, that means that that buyer might just be selling the contract to your house. They might not actually be buying your house. So with Alamo Cash Buyers, we will close on your house. We'll put down a substantial deposit, and we will close on the date that we say we close. We've done this with dozens of families all over town, and we provide a great solution where you want to sell a house quickly and not have to pay any closing costs, repairs, anything like that. The price we give you is the price that you're going to walk away with, less any taxes that you owe. So, and in some cases we can even pay the taxes for you, right? We want to make it very easy to do business with us, and we want to be the easiest real estate transaction that you've ever been a part of, and that's what we do. So if you're looking for a distressed home buyer in Lavaca and San Antonio, we'd love a chance to earn your business. Visit the website or give us a call, and we will reach out and be in touch. We'd love a chance to help you out. Take care.